AI can write code better than any human can right now. But the big gap is around context. AI doesn't know your application, it doesn't know your business logic, your business model, anything like that. And that context is what leads to good architecture.
You don't often find design, engineering, and product management all together in these forums discussing the same outcome.
It's a chance to network, meet people who are facing the same challenges as you. You never know what that connection can do for you down the road.
The people here, whether it's a leadership role or an IC role, they're all interested in figuring out what they can do next and what they can do better in their roles, whether it's through AI or other tools, to figure out how they can better serve their customers.
Implementing AI can feel super overwhelming, but it's great to get all of the different perspectives and see what tools are out there and what might be a good fit for how our team wants to expand and using it into our processes.
Those hands-on workshops were really, really valuable.
I think the fact that people are inquisitive and they want to just keep asking and leaning into it is huge, and I can only embrace that.
UXDX is a great conference. It's great to be with UX designers and product people and engineers, and it helps everyone think about the problem from a different perspective, and I think all of us can collaborate more closely now. And this conference answers how you can do that.